What's going on, YouTube? Tom here. And yep, I bet y'all are wondering, wait, Tom, didn't your car come in finally? Why the hell are you still in the Tacoma? Well, good question. Because if you didn't already know by the title, because I don't like to do too much of clickbait. I like to get straight to the point, and that is, I couldn't pick up the car just yet. Why, you might ask? I'll tell you why. The car actually came in a little earlier than I expected. So, as most of you might know, I live in the land of reality for most people, and that is I had to finance the car. Well, because I financed it, I had a loan pre-approved, but I didn't accept the loan. So, the idea was, well, I'm not going to make payments on a car I don't have yet. Let me wait until the car gets here, and then I'll accept it right before it gets here. Well, because it got here a few days early, I hadn't accepted it yet, and so I had to call up PenFed, who is the credit union I've been going through, and I said, yeah, I'd like to go ahead and accept the loan. Like, all right, cool, 5 to 7 days, we'll have the check mailed to you. He was like, oh, crap, the car's here now, though. Well, not a problem, we can do an overnight delivery on the check, and this is on Saturday, mind you, so they said, all right, well, now we can't send it out till Monday anyway. It's like, well, crap. And on top of that, the fee for the overnight delivery was $15. And now that's not a large amount of money, and it's not like it's a totally terrible proposition, but it was $15 I could have kept in my bank account if I had known that it was going to take them 5 to 7 days. I thought it was a quicker process, but that was me. And of course, the first thing the dealer said, well, we can just give you the form and you can finance through us. And yeah, that's not happening, man. I'm not going to pay some ridiculous 30% interest rate on a loan. PenFed got me a loan for 1.49%, which would you rather honestly pay? And yeah, a little bit more honest with the pricing. So, that means the check will get here tomorrow, which will be Tuesday, which is actually when you all see this. Probably by the time this video goes live, I'll probably be on my way to the dealership to pick up the car. So keep an eye out for that on Instagram. The car is coming tomorrow, as in it is now coming home tomorrow. The car is in fact on the ground at the dealership. So if you didn't see my Instagram post about that, go ahead and take a look at my Instagram. Link, I'll put it on screen here, and also link will be in the description below. Check that out if you want to see some updates, because I will be posting the car there once again. Let you all take a look at that. So, the next video you all see will be the car, and it probably will be, hopefully, my first impressions. I want to take my GoPro with me to the dealership and film it. Film a little bit about the car, and of course I probably want to film maybe some drives with it. Of course I'm going to be driving it all afternoon tomorrow. And then Wednesday I'm taking the car to work with me, because I want to make sure everyone at work can see it. Because everyone's been asking about it non-stop. I got one guy that every day at break time he goes outside and he sits on the tailgate of his truck. I go for walks during break, and he asks me every day, how many more days? He's a big car guy. So I can't wait for people like him to finally see it. Everyone's just going to be drooling on it all day. Man, they texted me that picture, and I was like, oh my god, that car looks amazing. Because I was having a little bit of like kind of fear, like, oh, what if it doesn't look as good in person to me as it did in the pictures? What if the spec's not right? And I saw the picture and I said, nope, I ordered the right one. I like that spec. I love the car. I know I'm gonna love it when it finally gets here and I get to see it in person. It will be amazing. So, anyway, that being said, once again, Instagram link below. Check that out if you want to see pictures of the car before you see a video. Now, YouTube has decided they're going to, once again, do a little bit of screwiness with their notification system. So the last video I posted didn't seem like it got a lot of views, so check that out if you all see this video. If you missed the last one I posted, which is, I believe, Wednesday. And, of course, to prevent this YouTube flakiness again, if you like my content, you like my videos, go ahead and hit the bell notification next to the subscribed button. If, of course, you are subscribed. If you're not subscribed, go ahead and hit the subscribe button first, then hit the bell, because I would love to help this channel grow to 1,000 subscribers. And of course, now with this Mustang coming, I'm really hoping I can get some new subscribers in, because we get some more content to be seen here with this car coming. So keep a lookout for that. So obviously I want to have some videos of a couple rides of that, got some driving, some first impressions, and I do definitely within the next week or so I want to do a full comprehensive car review of the Mustang, because I think that would be pretty amazing. So I want you all to know what it's like to well, that's really say own the car, but definitely what it's like when you first buy the car. So anyway, if you like this video, go ahead and leave a thumbs up. If you're stopping in for the first time, go ahead and subscribe. Help this channel get to 1,000 subscribers. Take care. Have a good day.